So let's talk about lighting. Not good. Not good where I'm at. But here's the thing. I want to talk about beard products. I've been doing a lot of research on beard products here lately, and I bought a couple, and I have some coming. I have some badass beard care coming, and I have some stuff in my pocket that shouldn't be in my pocket. Well, I just want to do a review on some of the things that I didn't see a lot of, like Everyman Jack. There was this one that I saw on Amazon. It was a real budget, $25 kit, kind of. Zekian, I think that's how you say the name. It's kind of a citrusy smell. This is the beard balm. I know a lot of people don't like to use beard balm. They had the beard oil. This one. Almost dropped it. Let's see. Focus. Focus. It's the same brand. It's also citrusy, and it smells really good. If you like citrusy, smells. It smells really citrusy, like a zest, if you know what a zest smells like. So I want to talk about the Zekian product stuff. I already opened it and used some of it, obviously. I mean, it's mostly all natural. It does have some, words that I can't read, but it looked and it smells really good. The packaging was good, and everything just smelled amazing. That's the beard oil. I will put some in I like the drippers, the dripper type. Just a couple little drops, a little bit of a dripper. Smooth it in. I like to go up through my beard and then back down. All the way through. And then I know oil doesn't style it, but it does make it lay a little more. I don't have very good lighting. Not to be acting like I know what I'm talking about, because I just got into taking care of my beard and stuff. I just took a shower, went to bed. I might put beard oil in it, and then I'd go 2 or 3 days without doing anything else with it. I'd wash it, but I wouldn't do anything else with it. But I just got into taking care of my beard, and I watched a lot of reviews from BeardTube, and he's got a lot of honest reviews, and I like him a lot. If I need a review on anything, and if he's got it, I'm going to click on his video and I'm going to watch it. So this is the beard balm. I know he doesn't like to use beard balms, but I mean, if you use the oil before the balm, I think it would be okay. Just a little bit. And it's got that also citrusy smell. And it smells really good. And it's Xike, as in Edward, Zan. I think it's Zekian. I'm not 100% sure. Do not quote me on that. Just work it through. Get it on the stash. Make sure the stash sits nice and flat. And I'd do this after you take a shower. I haven't taken a shower yet. I just got off of work, and I was like, I want to start doing review videos. Why not? Looks cool. Looks fun. I'm learning while I'm, showing everybody like budget beard stuff. Like I said, that one was $25 on Amazon, and I think there was a coupon for $5 off, so I got it like 20 bucks, and it came with quite a bit of stuff. Let me just, before I knock it over, I'm accident prone. So that was the beard balm. I like beard butter since BeardTube said he, or Scuba, whatever, said he likes the beard balm. I was like, why does he like the beard balm? And he has a video on it. And I was like, okay, I'll watch it. And he says the beard, not the beard balm, he likes the beard butter. So I watched it, and he said that the beard balm has a lot of wax in it, and it coats your beard, and you can't get all that, you know, anything, you know. You're gonna have to check out his video because I can't remember how he explained it. But my beard's nowhere near straight at all. I mean, I'm thin on the sides here, and it grows thick here, thin on the sides. I don't know why. I wish I could fix it, but I can't. But I'm not 100% worried about it. They also have a brush. This is Zekian. It doesn't have their name, but it's in the same kit. They have the brush, the comb, which is a solid comb. I mean, and they have these scissors. Now, I don't know how good these scissors are. I mean, I've used them to just, you know, get rid of the little pookie poos. I guess scissors serve their purpose anyway. So they give you this brush, you know, whatever. The comb. My beard has some knots in it, and I don't know why. So when I brush it, it gets little pookie poos, pulls the little pookie poos out, and it doesn't feel good. I mean, yeah, like I said, it's thin on the sides. And if anybody knows how to fix the thinness on the sides, I mean, link a video or whatever. But they give you a little bag. I mean, I guess every beard care place does it. They give you a little bag to put all your stuff in. I got my little travel bag that I use to put all my beard stuff in. Everything looks kind of natural. If somebody does a review on it saying it's not, I'd listen to them more than I'd listen to me, because I don't know what in the hell I'm talking about. But it smells really good. Like I said, a nice citrusy, zesty smell, and it smells really good. But that's the budget beard stuff on Amazon, I guess. All I did was type in beard care products on Amazon, and that was the first one that popped up, and I looked at it, and they used different types of oils. I don't know what's bad, I don't know what's good, but everything looked a little kind of natural in there. Just a bunch of different oils and goodies. But I like the fact that they gave you a little brush. I mean, it's kind of stiff. I mean, I don't know what the ideal, you know, feeling of a brush should be. I don't know if it should be stiff or soft, or I guess you could, you know, just barely put any pressure. It's soft now. It's really soft. I like the way it feels. I don't know if you're supposed to brush it like you brush your hair, you know, you push to the scalp, whatever, or if you just, you know, lightly brush down the pookie poo sticking out. Obviously, you know, it's a comb. Not a lot to talk about there. Works for me, I guess. That's my take on budget beard products from Amazon, and I guess hope you enjoyed it. I want to do more videos doing beard product reviews and you know, whatever I think is good. I'll link I'll put a link in the description, just if anybody wanted to check it out. If you're growing your beard for the first time and, you know, you want to be on the same level with somebody that doesn't know shit about it, I'll link the Amazon link in the description. I don't get anything from it, obviously, because like I said, I'm nobody. But But if anybody was looking for a good budget, beard kit, the packaging comes really good, and the boxes, they're pretty, but they're not, they're all right. If anybody has any tips for me of, my condition, my thin on the sides, thick in the middle condition, the Zekian stuff. I mean, if you know anything about it and it's not good, let me know, because if it's not good, I don't want to use it in my beard. So, but yeah, anyway, I'm done talking. This is over and out. I'm done.